So it's a snowy Sunday afternoon. It's actually Super Bowl Sunday. And you might be asking, why is Mike Flynn standing in front of a house in the middle of not a bad snowstorm, but a snowstorm? Well, it's because 415 Grace Court in Holbrook, where I'm standing right now, is not going to last long enough for me to even wait a day. We've got cul-de-sac location, which is somewhat uncommon in this area. House is mostly new. You can't really see the roof right now because it's snow covered. But we're about 5 minutes in either direction from the LIE or Sunrise Highway, all the shops in Holbrook. We have Sachem East schools, and there's probably a lot more that I'm forgetting, but I'm going to get in out of the snow. We got Kyle Pearl, our agent, who I think is conducting a showing and hard at work. We'll try not to disturb him. All right, so we're inside now. I hope we're not disturbing Kyle too much. Oh, Kyle, I thought you had a showing going.
Oh, yeah, they're going to be here any minute, man.
Oh, man.
You didn't tell my wife.
All right. I'm not even gonna cut. Let's just go along. We've got wood burning stove here. Kyle's gonna be fired. We got full kitchen, granite countertops, mostly new. Skylight for plenty of light. I'm gonna also do the backyard from here while Kyle stretches and wakes up again.
They'll be here any minute.
New bluestone pavers underneath, which is tough to see, and actually, in the distance there, you've got a gate to the other side, so you have no neighbors behind and plenty of mature trees. Let's check out real quick. We're gonna head back to the bedroom section and we'll see the bathrooms. We've got full bath here. I'll try to get a good enough angle. Another skylight, and that is snow cover there. So you normally will get even more natural light. The smaller bedroom, try to get a nice overhead angle for you. Great for nursery or office. Another good sized bedroom that is currently half office and guest room. And then we'll head into the main suite. Make sure we get the closet. And I'll try to get a good overhead shot of half bath. Pardon the angle. Always a tough one, but we'll head downstairs now to the basement and runs the whole length of this house. So moving right along, we're actually in the family room. We've got a full bathroom here with standing shower. Pretty spacious. I'm going to turn this on with the fan so there'll be just a little bit of noise. But just so you get the idea, we have great pictures of this one. So for more detail, you can direct message us and we can check out the photos. But let's head down to the basement, which has a zone for heat to be added. And it's otherwise been finished by the current owners. And oh my God, Kyle!
Woo!
Oh, man.
Up the show.
Now, it's a great spot for working out, obviously. We're going to ignore Kyle sweating and working out there. We've got new water heater tank. We left the electric open. Oh, man. This is definitely the spot to work and play down here. Plenty of storage for all the tools as well.